Tasty treasures of New York City, local, exotic, and hidden gem eats you can't miss. Treasures of New York City, local, exotic, and hidden gem eats you can't miss. Explore Katz's Delicatessen for an iconic New York pastrami sandwich. Address: 205 East Houston Street, Manhattan. Opening hours: Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. Savor authentic dim sum at Nom Wah Tea Parlor, a Chinatown classic since 1920. Address: 13 Doyers. Opening hours: Tuesday through Sunday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., closed on Mondays. Dive into spicy and flavorful dishes at Los Tacos No.1 for some of the best tacos in the city. Address: Chelsea Market, 75 9th Avenue, Manhattan. Hours: Monday through Sunday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Taste delicious Ethiopian cuisine at Ghenet Brooklyn with friendly prices and vibrant flavors. Address: 270 Skillman Avenue, Brook. Opening hours: Tuesday through Saturday, noon 10 p.m., closed Sunday. Try the affordable yet tasty ramen bowls at Ippudo, New York in East Village. Address: 65 4th Avenue, Manhattan. Opening hours: Monday through Sunday, noon 11 p.m., closes earlier on Sundays. Halal Guy's food cart for famous chicken and gyro platters at very reasonable prices near Times Square and various locations throughout the city. Operating hours vary by location but generally open till late night all week long. Relish mouth-watering Caribbean flavors at Miss Lily's, a cozy spot with great vibes in Soho/NoHo. Address: multiple locations including West Village and Harlem downtown spots available too. Hours usually between noon and midnight. Check specific location times before visiting due to variations. Sample fresh seafood like oysters or lobster rolls at Urban Space Vanderbilt Market next to Grand Central Terminal. Great variety under one roof with affordable options. Address: Grand Central Terminal Concourse Level, Manhattan. Open daily approximately from 7 a.m. until evening around 8 p.m. Discover incredible Latin street food flavors at Arepa Lady, a hidden gem, offering authentic Colombian arepas. Address: Jackson Heights neighborhood in Queens. Open every day mostly from morning until early evening except some irregular holiday closures. Satisfy your sweet tooth with world-famous cronuts or pastries from Dominique Ansel Bakery. Address: multiple locations including Soho and Upper West Side. Usually open Tuesday through Sunday around brunch time to early evening, closed Mondays. Insider tips: visit during weekday afternoons or early evenings to avoid long lines. Use public transit, subway/bus, as parking is limited and expensive. Confirm timings by checking official websites or calling ahead because timings sometimes change unexpectedly. Disclaimer: these suggestions may change as businesses tend to adjust their timing rules or policies frequently. We built our digital businesses. Details can be found at newbeginning.com, which allows us to follow our own dreams. What is your dream? We'd love to see how we can support you reaching your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com/webinar to find out more. Thanks and God bless you.